Skustack's Container Ship Verify feature helps ensure all of your packages are shipped safely with the right shipping carrier. All you need to do is scan the package's tracking number to view the related shipping carrier or scan the container's QR code to check that the package is placed in the right place. Now let's see how to use this feature in action. Jump into the Skustack app and head to the Orders menu. Scroll down to the end and tap the search icon on the Container Ship Verify section. Scan the package's tracking number with Container Ship Verify. This will confirm that the order is ready to leave the warehouse and that it's not a duplicate. Then, scan the container barcode to make sure the package gets sorted into the right carrier container. The system will log which container it was placed in so it can be tracked on the way to the carrier distribution center.